What is ocean warming? Rising ocean temperatures are driving unprecedented changes in global marine ecosystems, sea levels, and weather patterns. As heat transforms the ocean, threats to food supplies, economies, and weather multiply, putting human and environmental health at risk. The ocean is a vital part of Earth's climate system. It helps moderate climate and slow the impacts of global warming. Covering 70% of the planet, the ocean soaks up heat trapped in the atmosphere by carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Increasing ocean heat is closely linked to increases in atmospheric greenhouse gas concentrations, making the ocean an excellent indicator of how much Earth is warming. Since 1971, the ocean has absorbed 90% of the excess energy added to Earth's climate by burning fossil fuels and other human activities. The ocean's surface layer, home to most marine life, takes most of this heat. As a result, the top 700 meters, 2,300 feet, of the global ocean has warmed about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit since 1901. And scientists recently found that the rate of warming in the top 6,500 feet of the ocean over the past few decades was about 40% higher than previously estimated. Water can hold more heat than land or air, so it warms more slowly, but this rate is still alarming. The ocean won't hold this heat forever. It will eventually be released, feeding back into the climate system and causing further warming. Why is ocean warming important? Even the seemingly slight increase of 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit in ocean temperature represents an enormous amount of heat, one large enough to transform marine biodiversity, change ocean chemistry, raise sea levels, and fuel extreme weather. Earth is already experiencing the consequences of these changes, impacting property, lives, and livelihoods, and not just in coastal areas. Rising ocean temperatures are connected to some weather extremes and can lead to more intense hurricanes, heavier rainfall, and snowstorms. Warmer sea surface temperatures influence weather patterns and shift precipitation, causing some regions to experience intense rainstorms and flooding and exacerbating drought conditions and wildfire risks in others. Warmer ocean waters also contribute to rising sea levels, and this thermal expansion could be the biggest driver of sea level rise over long time scales. Because water becomes less dense and expands as it heats up, it occupies more space and causes sea levels to creep up. Polar ice sheets thin and erode in response, pushing levels even higher. Sea level rise has different rates and magnitudes in different places. Scientists estimate sea level could rise at least 15 inches by 2100 in some areas, potentially displacing millions worldwide. Marine life will suffer the most due to unprecedented ocean warming. Fish species now migrate north to find cooler temperatures and food sources, impacting communities and economies that depend on fishing. Rising ocean temperatures contribute to oxygen-depleted ocean dead zones in large coastal and open ocean areas, rendering them largely uninhabitable by marine life. Hotter oceans can hold more carbon dioxide, which causes seawater to become more acidic. This phenomenon, known as ocean acidification, harms corals, clams, snails, and many other marine organisms, mainly by dissolving their calcium carbonate shells and skeletons. Warmer ocean waters also encourage frequent, lengthy marine heatwaves, where temperatures can jump several degrees or more above average. These prolonged periods of heat wreak havoc on marine health and increase the risk of massive bleaching events on Australia's Great Barrier Reef and other sensitive coral ecosystems. Ocean warming is just another aspect of the dynamics of climate change, which make it ever increasingly more difficult to manage.